Time to see what games are active.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Active Gaming TV. Now, I will do some vlogs, but not that much. And in this bag is something that I'm really excited about. So you might watch FGTeeV. I watched a video that said the season 2 toys, and there's only 5 Walmarts that have them right now. And my mom found some at her work. And here they are. Only 3 mini TVs. Now I'm going to try to open it, and I'm really excited. I hope I don't get any things that are the same, any toys that are the same in the same thing where I got it. So I'm going to open. So I'm opening it right now. So there we go. So I do have scissors. Just be careful when you have scissors. Always have an adult near you. My dad is behind the camera. I got like a blue see-through big baby, which is like the one. It looks like the one from the book that they have. And then the putty, I'm gonna save that for later. And then the flashlight is Daddy holding something. I don't know what he's holding. There we go. And then here's one of, and here's, it says there's 3 stickers, and the one I see is, I don't know if it's Chase or Sean holding, but it's one of those holding a cow. Is the one that I see. So the next one is and then this one is Mike, Chase, and Sean in the wheel, which I seen that video. Then there's this, which I'm not going to look at right now. That's the first one. So, but just in case you couldn't see it, this is the first one. Then these are the stickers. This is the flashlight. And then I'm going to open the putty, the FX putty, just real quick, so I can open the next one. Let me just use the flashlight. I'm just use the flashlight on it and see what color it turns into. It turns into blue. I see a dot that looks like a drop of blue food coloring. This flashlight is really hard to try to find where it is. Cause it's like at the bottom. them. It's it's more a little bit more, and it looks like purple. So I don't know if it's blue or purple. I'll find out though. Then the next one, hold on. Okay, time to open box number 2 of season 2. These are actually really easy to open. I think they were way easier to get the wrap off than the first one. There we go. Let's do this again. So we're gonna just grab this. And then I don't even remember who this person's name is. It's someone from one of the cartoons they do. But I don't know who this is. Who that is. So, and then the flashlight is the mom from one of their songs. One of the hold on, let me open the flashlight real quick. This is the mom from one of the songs, and you might know which one. And then the stickers, I see Mike as an angel, which is sticker. And then another one is corn from one of the videos that are 2 years old. And you might know because it says attack. And then the other one is Sean with turkey leg that they supposed to be turkey leg that they made in one old video. And then the effects party. Oops, it flew behind the camera. Let me see what color this one is. I'm just got this flashlight. I don't know if it matters which flashlight. It looks like the same one. Nope. It looks like the same one. So there's the second one. Hold on. Now I'm going to unbox number 3. The bottom or the top is actually easier. So it's just, and after this one, I'll check what's inside. Maybe put that one there. And then that one was really easy to get open. Now these ones are really hard to cut, even if those ones are really hard to cut with scissors. And I'm using this one is one of the goats. It's one of the goats, just a pink zebra version. And it has that's cool. So this one, so the flashlight is Sean from one of the other songs. Hold on, let me just open this real quick. Just put that garbage right down. And then, yeah. That one was really hard to get out of the wrapper. Why did I put that with the garbage? So this is what it looks like. Then let me open the stickers. And then, so the first one is Lex from their book at one point, and I don't want to say anything about the book. Then Duddy, and it says Slay All Day, which is one of the songs. On the FX party, that one wasn't really good. Then let's see what this one is. Let me get out. Oh, and here's the other one. The Mom by Giant gummy bear, or maybe hugging a giant gummy bear with a lollipop. Let me see what color this one is. Hopefully it's not blue or purple again. Looks like it's the same. It keeps happening. Hold on. It looks like it's the same. Now these still do have the wrap on because I don't want to open, because I don't want to watch me open the wrapper open, because I can't cut it because I'm cut the putty. Okay, so let's see what's in here, and I wanted to save this so I don't know what else I could get in the other ones. So, so I got Big Baby, but it's a crying one for the first one. Then the second one was CMYK Neil. Okay. Then another one is called Freaky, which is, I think it's one of the goats. And so those are the minifigures that I got. And there's a lot of other ones. I thought I would have gotten like a whale one. Or one like the Freaky or the Crybaby would be a whale or Neil. But no, none of them were a whale. So I'll figure out how to close that later. Okay, so that was season 2, and I'm really glad that my mom found these. So there's only 4 more Walmarts that I don't know that have them. So the next vlog might be a house tour, and don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell. So bye.